Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 83, Shaking Hands When Meeting. Hadith number 436. Al-Bara, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "No two Muslims meet and shake hands without being forgiven before they part." Sunan Abu Dawud, Adab, 143, Hadith number 437, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Istizan, 31. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "A man said, O Messenger of Allah, when one of us meets his brother or his friend, should he bow to him?" He said, "No." He said, "Should he embrace him and kiss him?" He said, "No." He said, "Should he take his hand and shake it?" He replied, "Yes." Hadith number 438, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Istizan, 32. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, Zayd ibn Haritha arrived in Medina when the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, was in my room. He came to him and knocked on the door. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, went to him dragging his garment, and embraced and kissed him. Hadith number 439, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adab, 18, Sahih Muslim, Fadail, 65. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, said, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, kissed al-Hasan ibn Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, while al-Aqra ibn Habis was with him. Al-Aqra said, I have 10 children and have never kissed any of them. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, looked at him and said, anyone who does not show mercy will not be shown mercy.